in the kitchen?
I do. I make a couple. I don't bake too much, but I've got a couple desserts.
Okay, well, Jamie is going to make us a wonderful parfait.
Okay, y'all, I'm doing a peanut butter parfait.
So tell us what you do.
And I'm gonna work on one part of it.
Okay.
And I've got a quarter.
And I'm going to work on this part, y'all.
I got a quarter of a cup of powdered sugar and a cup of peanut butter.
Okay.
And I'm gonna, this is not gonna be the easiest thing, so to incorporate,
Let me help.
I'm gonna mix the peanut butter and the powdered sugar together and kind of get it married up a little bit, because to this, I'm gonna add 3 ounces of cream cheese.
All right, so Arthur, we got to do our part to help Jamie here. We've got our 2 cups of milk, and if you'd come over here, you can man this mixer.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we've got 1 small, like the 3-ounce package of an instant chocolate pudding.
Right here?
Yeah, just start mixing.
Okay.
And when we come back, we're gonna put these parfaits together.
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna add a lot of other good stuff to it, Arthur.
That sounds great.
While y'all do that, I'm gonna eat sandwich. Yeah, you're doing a good job over there,
How
son.
does this happen?
Coming up next, let's dig in. It's gonna be a mouth-watering peanut butter parfait.
This is amazing. This is so good.
Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm in here in the kitchen today with Jamie and Arthur King. Arthur is a college student that really has to cook. He cooks every night of the week, he said, but he has to cook on a budget. And that's what we're doing today. We're doing budget meals. We are fixing to fix the most wonderful little easy parfait. So Arthur,
Yes,
honey,
ma'am.
if you'll slice us some bananas.
Okay.
You've made the chocolate pudding.
Yes, ma'am.
And I've got some peanuts here that I've chopped. I've got these peanut buttery cookies that I love so much. I adore these. Have you ever had these?
Yes, ma'am. I love those things.
So I'm gonna be chopping these up because this is gonna be a layered dessert.
It's gonna be so good too. I've got what I started with down here, peanut butter, powdered sugar, and cream cheese, and I'm gonna fold in some whipping cream into this peanut butter.
That's gonna make that peanut butter concoction so much lighter, y'all.
I probably put about a cup of cream into this. I'm gonna hold some back for the top.
All right, so y'all ready to start assembling?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Arthur, if you would take our parfait cups and let's start with a layer of chocolate pudding.
Okay.
Layer of bananas. Pass it to me. I'll put a layer of peanuts, a layer of the cookies, and then Jamie can do his magic with his peanut butter concoction.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, layer of bananas,
Okay.
layer of peanuts. All right, a layer of our cookies, and now on to you, son, for the next layer.
This is our peanut butter whip.
Oh my gosh,
that we've
look how
done.
light that whipping cream made it, y'all.
That looks amazing.
Doesn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And so simple and easy.
Yes, ma'am.
And you can do a different take on this kind of dessert, Arthur. Just changing up your pudding and your cookies. All right, so another layer of this, another layer of this, and pass it to you for another layer of bananas and then chocolate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okie doke.
Oh, I need to get my bananas.
Yeah.
Don't want to forget those. That's the healthy part.
Yeah. I love the way this kid thinks. I'm gonna pass this one to Jamie.
Okay.
And I'm gonna let him garnish it because it looks like our parfait bowl is full.
Yes, ma'am.
Why don't you put a little layer of just the white whipping cream?
Don't you worry, Mama.
I think Jamie's on top of this situation, y'all. Yes, he is. Oh, great, Arthur. On to you, Jamie. I think, Arthur, a family that cooks together stays together.
Yes, ma'am. That's very true.
Well, let's dig in.
Sounds good. That is delicious.
Good. Do you need a
amazing.
moment in the closet?
Yes,
to
ma'am.
eat that?
Yes, ma'am. I need to go sit by myself.